station is Earlsfield.
What's up guys, UKTransit here. Today we are going to be
going to every stop on the Hampton Court line.
And that is only 2 stops, and that is Thames, Ditton and Hampton Court. So let's get into it, UKTransit style. Okay, so 2 things. What do you think about the 455s?
I think that obviously the seats are not very comfortable. Like, I'm sitting here and they're not the comfiest seats ever, but they'll do if you're like not going too far, but they're not the most comfortable seats.
And what is your favourite thing about the 455s?
Honestly, I like the compressors. Like, as I pull away from the station, they just sound so good.
Yeah, they do sound really good.
I do like this one.
The thing I don't like about the 455s is A, they don't have toilets. No toilets. And all the other South Western Railway trains do, I think. But yeah.
Yeah.
My favourite thing about the 455s is, again, the compressors. There's also no plug sockets.
There isn't. That is, could be a nuisance, because if my phone was dying, then I'd be dead.
Yep.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. Our trains are patrolled by uniformed and plainclothes revenue protection teams. If you do not hold a valid ticket for this train, you may be issued with a minimum penalty fare of £100 or face prosecution.
That's a lot of campaign material.
So we're going to give you a tour of Thames Ditton. This is like an interesting station. Would you like to press the button?
Yeah.
Let's film the train going out. Gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, I even made it go like that. Okay. That's how frightened I was by the honk that I made the camera turn around. That's really funny. Anyway, 455 just leaving. Thames Ditton now. Let's get into the tour. This is a bit scary, I'm not gonna lie. Hello everyone, sorry to interrupt the video. So I want to show you some brand new products that we're selling at the UKTransit store.
Got a 455 keyring here, which pretty good actually, good quality. I like it. Same thing again, the keyring, but this time we've got a 377, which is good quality, very clear. We've got a Pandolino mug, which is, well, a mug. A 445 mug.
455.
455 mug, sorry.
That's alright.
There you go.
And
finally a
nope.
Oh no, 2 more things. 455 coaster.
Yep.
And now finally a 455 thank you card. Oh.
Yep.
Thank you.
What do you think about the products?
I like them. I might have to buy them myself.
Thank you. Back to the
Very
video. If you'd like to go in front of the camera and explain stuff that you see, I need to get a picture of the. I need to get a picture of the. Would you like to get a picture next to the sign for the thumbnail?
Yep.
Okay, good. Continue. So obviously there's an advertisement there. What are they advertising?
They're advertising, I don't even know, Petco Bismol.
Some sort of drink. There's a wheelbarrow.
Wheelbarrow with a flower bed in it.
Yep.
Right, as you do.
And what fare zone are we in?
We're in fare zone 6.
Yep. What can we see?
Well, help point.
Yep.
Chasing with help. For whatever reason, you got this contactless thing where you can snap the car and we'll do that because it will take the money. Advertising. Say it's sorted, British Transport Police, because
Yep.
you know, trains can be dodgy places sometimes. You've got there.
A can of Stella.
You've got more flowers. Whatever this is.
That is a accessible ramp.
I'm not gonna mess with. Okay. You've got rude health,
Nice.
medicine,
Yep.
and Back to the Future.
Yay.
Got
This is
loads
free
more-
promotion.
Loads more flowers.
Mhm.
Well, even flowers are pretty good in general. Fare zone 6, obviously.
I actually do like these signs.
That's a sign. And we're on a bridge right now, so it's a big drop.
Big drop.
I don't know what's down there. I don't really want to know. Got watch to it really. Oh, we've got the car stop over here.
Yep.
Car stop, so the train's got 4 cars that stops there, and it's got more. It stops further down there. It's
Yep.
on the platform. Well, on the train. Just not. That's pretty much it. It's just gates and stuff.
Mhm.
I like it though. It's a nice station. There's no bridge or tunnel to get.
Yeah, you have to walk round.
Oh, okay.
Right. We have the oyster thingy. Yep, doesn't work. I'm on. No, well, it doesn't work for me.
I don't want.
But I don't have any money in my oyster account, so that's why. But I have a travel card, so that's all good.
Yeah.
Quite a steep hill. Is that the right word?
Steep, definitely not flat, but I guess you can say that.
Yeah, I'm fine. Ouch. Right.
Step on them.
Yep. Thames Ditton.
Platform 1 to.
Yeah, platform 1's trains to Waterloo, and platform 1 is trains to Waterloo, and you go under the underbridge, and trains on platform 2, which is the platform we just investigated, are trains towards Hampton Court, and they call it Hampton Court only. If you come under this bridge, you have a telephone box, you have this,
Cafe Noir.
okay. This is a bug central and a bug junction. Oh,
Hotel.
yeah.
That's probably why we set up B or whatever the hell it was.
Ah, that's quite cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go up here to investigate. Can I put the camera? Thank you. So, there's a bug halt here. By the way, guys, this is out of my comfort zone because I don't like bugs. Oh my god, there's bugs everywhere. Which makes sense. You got Bug Central. I don't know if I'm allowed to be up here, but there's no sign saying don't. You got Bug Central, and yeah, whoa. Imagine if I fell. So yeah, this is it. I'm not sure if I'm meant to be up here or not, but yeah. There's no signs, it's fine. We continue in the tour after that quite unique bit of the station. That's the thing that makes Thames Ditton a unique station. That it has a bug hotel. Look, it's more like a bug resort than a bug hotel. Oyster validators. We got this area over here.
More flower beds down there.
Yep. Continue with the tour.
We've got again Cafe Noir sign.
Yes.
Got some notice boards. Train station.
Yep.
Very interesting.
Yep.
What else we got? We've got
Got a ticket office which we'll come back to.
Pop point again.
Yep.
Ticket machine.
Does it work? Get a ticket.
Does work.
See if you can get a ticket without, obviously without paying for it. Just get a ticket to Waterloo.
Say Waterloo.
You need to put London Waterloo.
Ah,
Sorry.
you think it would know?
That should really. All we really need to know is it sensitive or is it really hard to press? That's all.
Either. Alright.
One way. How much is that?
£9.40.
Nice. Continue the tour.
I see.
Continue the tour.
So, we've got the sign here that says Waterloo
Well, yeah, because that's the next train.
in 6 minutes.
Yep.
Really handy.
Yep.
Fairly frequent.
Yes. It's quite a nice station. There's a few people here.
Some more flower beds,
Yes.
more barrows.
More flower beds. And another wheelbarrow. Oh, wow. 3 more wheelbarrows over there.
You sit down. Oh.
Yep. You got benches where you can sit down, obviously. You got the 4 and 6 coach car marker. Or stop marker. Car stop.
It's not really. It's a car, but they call it a car. But you got some more fences. I guess they're doing
The
boarding.
cars are the name for the carriages.
Yeah, I guess they're doing boarding work. I think because there's loads of fences here.
And then it gets like more narrow. And this is basically it, Thames Ditton.
Pretty small station, to be honest.
It has a lot of people here for like a branch line station. Like I didn't think there'd be this many people here. There's disabled toilets over there. I can't see any actual toilets. Some station information. This is quite cool actually. It's got like a library area. It's got a library area with some information. Can't drive. We'll get you there. It's actually quite cool information.
Yeah, you've got
Lots of really,
stuff we can use.
yeah, lots of really cool stuff. South Western Railway information.
Now it's empty, we can actually do it.
Yes. So, Thames Ditton, be friendly. I've got some leaflets which I'll show you guys when we're on the 455. This is quite cool. I haven't taken all of them, but I've taken a few. I think I've taken.
one of them.
Yeah. I've taken the ones that are relevant to me, which is quite a few. Like, for example, I didn't take the bike one because I don't own a bike, so it wouldn't make any sense. But yes, and that's the ticket office. You ready to go and catch our train to Hampton Court?
Yeah.
You're just taking more. Well, this is what the ticket office place looks like, so yeah. Our train has been delayed, and yeah. These are the ones I got. How did we do? Delay repay, 15. Quick start guide, passenger charter, season tickets, and savings too good to miss. Savings too good to miss. would just like to express, on all of the trains here, the announcements are so quiet. Like, I'm trying to record the announcements, and with all of the other noise and like, obviously there's not a lot of noise on this one, but even on this one, you can't hear them. No. Like, I couldn't hear them very well. Like, it sounded like she was whispering.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just leaving Thames Ditton and we're going to Hampton Court.
We're now approaching Hampton Court. Our final destination, please make sure to take all your items and your belongings with you when you leave the train. Do apologise for our delay in getting into Hampton Court. We were delayed earlier on our train's journey due to disruptive passenger in the Wimbledon area earlier today. Have a good weekend, everybody, and I'll see you next time.
Well, mine is probably a minor word.
Thank you.
That's all right, mate.
Right, this is Hampton Court. Let's quickly check this out because the driver is just about to change ends. And, well, yes. So, this is Hampton Court. It's, well, it's definitely under construction. Hold on. So up here? What's up here? I mean, a closed off platform. You got a closed off platform or something there. Maybe an abandoned platform, not really too sure. If you come outside, there's a ticket machine there. If you come outside, no signs for Hampton Court Station. Okay, let's go the other way now. Let's go the other way. How does it work? Okay. Oh, actually, it's really sensitive. That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's really good. Nice and sensitive. Private office. Gentlemen toilets.
Nice.
Nice. There's a chain calf.
Oh yes.
Vending machines if you want to get something. We have moved. And this is the ticket office.
17% stop.
Oh, mind the step. Whoop, mind the other step. And then there's a bus stop over there. And this is Hampton Court Railway Station. Yeah. Right, let's go back on that train.
You got the panel.
Right, we're going to go back on that train. Can I be let through again, please? Thank you.
Oh, yes, no.
Thank you. Hello.
You made it alright?
Yep, thank you. So this is Hampton Court's platforms, not really much to it. So yeah, we're going to sign off when we're on the 455, we're going up to the front. Maybe we won't.
I don't know.
But yeah, this is Hampton Court, there isn't really much to it. And yeah, there's an abandoned old platform there. So yeah. Thank you. Okay, so this is UKTransit signing off from Hampton Court. Like, subscribe and leave any comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have you enjoyed today's
I've enjoyed this video, it's been very good. Like and subscribe. Like
and we're doing 3 more videos today, so yeah.
It'll be a long one.
Yep. And you're enjoying it, aren't you?
I'm enjoying it very much.
Seagull speaking, this is the 11:24 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Should arrive at Southampton at 11:33. Wimbledon and and then 45, and on the Waterloo approximately 12:01. We're slightly delayed due to an earlier delay on a previous journey. I'm your guard located at the very rear of this A-car train. If you need my help or assistance, I'm also available on platforms at each stop. Safety information is available on all coaches. Should you see anything suspicious, please report to myself, the other train crew, or the British Transport Police. Please remember to keep all your belongings and items with you at all times. Sit back, relax, enjoy this lovely sunny day. First stop, Ditton.
Anyway, goodbye. I'll see you in the next one.